Hold it steady, keep it tight to the left. Watch that gradient, easy now. All right, connect the primaries to the fuselage hardpoints. Roger that. Tension looking good on the starboard side. Status update on the rigging.
Hardpoints 1 through 10, confirm secure, engineer. Cables are slack, we are ready to proceed.
Phase 2 initiated, all sky cranes, full power now.
Roger, engaging full power, we are pulling dead weight.
Check your tension, we have extreme vibration on line 4. Descent rate steady, watch the starboard wing, Group C.
Ropes taut, preparing for contact.
We have touchdown, confirm secure. 10 meters, steady as she goes.
Hydraulics engaging, alignment holding center line.
Watch the starboard side, clear the area now.
Secure the front cradle.
Tension check on strap 7.
Clear left side, cranes ascending. Easy now, just a few more centimeters. Hold it right there. Secured.
Make sure you get deep into that seam right there.
Yeah, I see the corrosion coming off now.
Move to the starboard side now. Okay, I'm starting the blower on this section.
The overhead crane gently takes the weight of the disconnected Ivchenko Progress turbofan, engine number 3.
As clear for the lift sequence, slowly engage the crane.
Engaging crane. Watch the starboard side pylon.
All right, clear the area.
Engine 1 is loose.
Start the lift, slow and steady. Clear the area, we're lowering the jig.
Thermal cut complete on section 4.
The asymmetry is significant now. We need to monitor the stress points carefully as the wing moves clear.
Okay, last bolt is clear. Start the roll sequence.
Copy that, rolling the starboard wing out now. Keep it steady. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch the yoke there, careful now. Clear the seats out on the double.
That sounds solid. Move down to the next section. Copy that.
The readings on the starboard side were consistent.
Increase pressure by 5 bars.
Reading green on the laser level, alignment is holding.
Inspection complete on this section. It's flawless.
Roger that. Let's bring her down.
Okay, the disc is clear. Get the reading on that leading edge damage.
Looks like 20 millimeters on blade Fortin. The corrosion is severe here.
That looks clean now. Go ahead and test the continuity on C32.
Okay, placing the probe now. Looks good.
That fits perfectly. Nice work.
Let me cross-check the harness routing on the tablet. Looks correct.
Start the sequence at position 4.
Torquing now. Setting confirmed.
Hold position. We need 2 millimeters to the left.
Roger, moving left now. Alignment is critical.
We are in position. Structural integrity confirmed.
Starboard wing alignment confirmed. Proceed with bolting sequence 3.
Roger that. Sequence initiated.
Slow and steady, watch the alignment on the starboard side. Looks good. It's sliding in. Lock engaged. Hold altitude, move left 2 centimeters. Steady left, confirming alignment. Bringing it down now, watch the pins, we have contact. Rivet line 4B looks good.
Agreed. Panel gaps are within tolerance. We are clear for sign-off.
The aircraft is a symbol of engineering continuity and successful restoration.